And now two, vice president also any near a couple goals.
London.
And now Korea Council, finance ministers. Mwamusi or Yaro to Kwan Kwabuchi, by now they were fun. Fourth one here, the people demonstrating, they were dancing. So how will anybody take you serious?
They were dancing.
The purpose of a demonstration is to make a point. Say if something is not done about your situation now, if something is not done about your situation now, you take action. Any form, any way. But what near Bonum now was Sana? How would the person take you serious? On go to a bunch of dancers. Okay. On far serious. It's demonstration in Kosishi. Fifth one here, celebrities now more supported fix the country. Correct Yvonne Nelson post. We went to all their pages. Yvonne Nelson posting nice picture be a watch the ties pan fresh. Just all on corner na hunye fi. Me support more Twitter. Lydia Forson also no tweet. I used to be a tweet no retweet. No kind of bank of fear. Me sure so me na be with the other. Kwa kesi nso wo honum onso ora brochi no ya ministers or ya obagana no ayedi ye to challenge man so ye bema ye review show ye to challenge man so ye bema obagana onye na no papa no yi obi ogana na no beju oba we ntimi aye obi a na no aju no de she ne corner
ana kwa kase no anwa na
oh na no aju o ntimi nkasa okasa o mbe change ni sleeping place.
How?
Send the same thing.
And so you say government way no ono on so nyema bi so. O kasana wanu ko bufa so kakre pani e be so awako.
Sa.
Nti unim say unni ahoden na obekwa akoye demonstration ama echi bi e be hwe kaka so a no atena obi bidin.
Kaka say.
Say demonstration no mo ye kra police for na line up e redirect you. They are just redirecting you to go and have the demonstration where the sun don't shine. Nti mo ne mo nko kasa. Mo tietim na mo brand makoda. Timi yesa no mo akasa mo ye demonstration o katechie na o ka ho odi o manim no. Ono kra mo so na o try control nkofo and say gather around no mo tie no. To the point say he even said himself say mo yesa a problem because here catch nkofo m say o mo fix the country. We can even fix ourselves. Nti mo kasa ye kasa muntie na mo form line ni na wo
you take kasa
o kasa they are not even organized you feel they are not even organized how now be who said they have to fix themselves before they tell somebody to fix the country and the ministers so a holiday some of them the omo girls be co-locate your friend say coded location by now mo bust spends now so mo ham holiday season so go release stress. Ethiopia, it felt on deaf ears.
Oh, yes, sure.
Oh, BNT. What is the effect? By now, can I say a rattle minister? No, say, hey, Charlie, this thing is getting serious. Let's do some. The more the more ministers know, edit conditions. Near me ba a better country no more. Omuye de ya ministers is no ma say okay, you bet you are first lady, you bet you are second lady. No my ya almost say okay, you better cast a MP. No my year almost say okay, you see cathedral. No my year almost say everybody should contribute 100 Ghana for the cathedral. On my year almost no matter say now it's legal. We'll come house to house. Everybody will have to contribute 100 cedis. One number say home by train. Me need 100 cedis for sa cathedral. Me 100 cedis for my other things. Me need for sa cathedral. It's more year and the more young, the more move film and the more this kind of more. Oh dear. Check a record of the insulter, you insulted politicians, no, and see what the outcome is. Every time we insult them, the outcome is Omuko Chase KB. You insult them, the outcome is Sikebi Africa. Oh, yeah, the outcome is Kojilo. And Kosifi. And they say almost say Omukoji loan 111 euros out of 6 aircraft. And aircraft no why na go to mom dey come here but you can't complain mo ya no mo ye no more it fix the country demonstration there me I felt like it was extremely useless.
And to you no what you dey say the mo no mo koye no enko baby na enko hia so mo and I was say na president show Olympics
show Olympics go so tweet whether it's now man for ya no e wo Twitter enye easy people were saying, say, Mr. President, have you seen the youth on the street telling you that there are problems?
Wow.
Or say, congratulations to Norwegians. Norway for who he and sing Ghana. It's more then a more hamu.
Sir,
President, oh, tweeting Nana Babe tweeting back said the person handling his account shouldn't be tweeting, and I'm saying who is handling his account. So far as me, I know say it's the president's account. The president will not allow you to tweet anything I won't approve you of. You can't tell me say Obi handle an account so Nipani tweeted your PBR. You can't without the president's permission. It won't happen. Now me member of my account a post bisa without my permission. Obi anyhow and Obama Obi post BB on your account without your permission. Exactly. It's a same na be can say the person handling such statements no a plus in so make such statement neither. The person handling the president's account is very stupid. He's useless. He's full or yeah understand me say you are kidding yourself. Who a plus but now I'm Obi a tweet with your account. Abra unni umma nipa concern by
sir you can say accident by accident and I say is that
oh there be president of the nation ni tweet ba ku betimi cause riot. President of the nation ni tweet ba ku betimi cause war. There's no way obe tweet without the permission of the president. It's president na wa hwe I don't know say no way for ayade no congratulate you omo so many agree street na so come the Olympics be or congratulate by this time. Ain't demonstration the end kosi omo kasa ye na no pa na Captain Smart da so tina radio so TV so kasa mo dwen si ejimi mo dwen si hey na wa so aka no pa ne so mo be bro idea mo be bro of government to she inform
etu we are sure say si jai attended na dia omo bidi emra no omo be bibia mai
who did o when did o omo ya no me yes in me my opinion it's best say instead of insulting them, the people who gathered there, omo do so pan if omo contribute sika one city crowd, omo betime invest in something ebe bo omo. Because look at the people in America, omo change America, the men who built America. We are talking about Vanderbilt. Obi are investing in whole life savings into railways. When he saw that it's difficult to transport yourself from one place to another, he invested into railways. The next person who came were John D. Rockefeller or found oil, kerosene, or who say a man for here light will move in. Inti ombe use lantern so in here kerosene. Where there's more demand, there's money to make. Into of find the kerosene. And then came with Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison so now also who said kerosene no a problem because people's houses were burning. It have to bring electricity. And also the electricity by JP Morgan, Rothschild, almost the bank buy. Who said if you have a bunch of people and you save their money and you invest in something to get a profit and give them their money now, it's good business. So they formed the bank and they were Federal Reserve amongst others. The same with Tom Ford. Tom Ford and so it was difficult for people to transport themselves from one place to the other. And also make creative car, my friend Ford. There are countless people before Bill Gates, ne Mark Zuckerberg, ne Travis Kalanick, Munine, Barbie creative Uber, Facebook, Google, all those things. So we know if you ain't nothing, the people who invested in Facebook, Omo also change, Omo call demonstration. Omo call demonstration. Omo does say 6 people they found the Facebook, 10 people were working on Amazon. Found about Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos found the Amazon. He had 10 employees, and Omo making a difference in the world. So the point that the business was lucrative enough for him to make more money and employ more people. So much now, I must say, we will not find a problem to solve and then build something for ourselves, sir. Yeah, the better there be another government now. Okasa own fuel, and I did be too much of negative energy is bad.
It's better to see waste your
time.